Hi, everyone. I'm creating this video to hopefully clarify the expectations for your fieldwork observations that are required as part of your TESOL 1 course. So this course, you're required to do 25 hours. Because this year is a strange year, we have decided to give various options to get you to that 25 hours. So I'm going to go through those options and hopefully clarify some of your questions that you've had. This first part 1, so this is your option 1. For this, you're choosing any of these activities. So you can choose from this list of activities. For after each activity that you complete, you need to complete this form. Okay, so that's the form that I emailed and shared with all of you. For example, you might be able to observe online an ENL class. I highly recommend, if you are able to observe an actual class with linguistically diverse students, that you take advantage of that, definitely. These activities also include if you're able to plan with an ENL teacher. So maybe you work in a school with an ENL teacher and you and that teacher can collaborate and plan together. Wonderful. This also includes tutoring sessions. So New York Edge has sent out those opportunities, so you can also use that. So for example, you might tutor for 1 hour. After you tutor for that 1 hour, you would complete this form, submit this form. So that tutoring hour plus the form equals 3 hours. Okay, so if you complete 5 forms, which means 5 activities, that counts as 15 hours. If you complete 8 activities, which would be 8 forms, we'll count that as 25 hours. I'm aware the math is 1 hour off there, but I'll be lenient and give you the extra hour. Okay, so that is option 1. Option 2, you can choose 3 videos from this website. So one activity would include watching 3 videos. After you watch 3 videos, you would then go and complete this form. That would count as 3 hours. You can also choose videos from this website. Again, choose 3 videos, and that counts as 3 hours when you complete the form. So that's your second option. Then this option is worth 10 hours. So this would be if you complete everything listed here. So you would visit the digital learning resources from New York State Department of Education, and you would kind of go on like a web quest to answer these questions. So if you complete all of this, that would count as 10 hours. So you can figure out how you want to mix and match this. So pretty much you would either do 15 hours from this part plus the 10 hours down below. That's 25 hours. Or you can do all 25 hours just from this section, from part 1. In addition to completing this in the forms, the only other thing that you need to complete is, let me just open it for you, is the Adelphi form. And that doesn't need to be submitted till the end of the trimester. Somebody yesterday asked, well, can I complete this early? Sure, yes, you can complete your observation form early. If you finish 25 hours, once you finish that, complete the form, and then you're done. You don't have to worry about it. So the last form that you need to complete is this form. This form at the bottom, it tells you, please make a copy for your records. Teacher mentor. Teacher mentor means the person that you work with at your school or the ENL teacher. That might not apply if that's not available to you. So don't worry too much about the teacher mentor thing at all. And then